Every sunrise, Buddy ran straight to the beach. And every time, Soon, locals started gathering every morning just to witness this incredible friendship between land and sea. Their story spread across social media, melting hearts worldwide.
This is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
They didn't share words, only gestures, sounds, and trust. Yet, Kublihar. Some mornings the sea was quiet, but Buddy always waited. Because friendship.
Experts say sea lions are social, intelligent, and capable of forming bonds across species. What started as curiosity became loyalty. They shared affection that was pure, silent. Then one morning,
He's not here today, Buddy.
And then he returned. The sea lion swam closer, and Buddy ran faster than ever.
Don't forget to subscribe for more heartwarming pet stories every week. Stay calm, stay